Consider this problem too. We have all the the questions are the same except the D. So we have 9 activities in this case, and each activity has different time durations. But what if activity F, some of these activities was revised to take 4 days instead of 2 days? What would happen to the critical path and this project? This is relevant because in the real world, duration of the activity can change anytime. Then we have to really understand the implication of this problem. Number one, first of all, we need to draw the network diagram based on the precedent relationships. Then consider paths to complete this project. How many paths? In this project, we have 4 different paths. And path 1, which is A, B, E, F, I, this is the critical path because it's the longest path in the network, 22 days. Now we have to calculate early start finish, late start finish times to find out slack or flow times. This is our critical path, and we know that these activities have slack time, have flexibilities. So we start with 0, first activity, and 1, and this 1 goes to B, C, D, and then 5, 4, and 8. Consider E, which has only one predecessor, 5 goes here, and 11. And consider F. We have 2 different predecessors, conflicting numbers, then choose the largest or maximum number, 8, 10. Again, maximum number, 11, 18. Only one predecessor, so 8 goes here, 8, 17. 2 conflicting numbers, then choose the maximum or largest number, 18, 22. 22 is our critical path and the time duration of this project. We want to set late finish time to 22 in order not to delay this project. So 18. So we set 18, 18 again here. So we can start I without any delay. And then 11, 9. Consider E goes 11, F also 11, because that's only one activity to follow. So 5, 9. And D, only one activity to follow. So 9 and 2. B is not 5, 1. Here is 9, 6. We have 3 different conflicting numbers and choose the smallest or minimum number in terms of late start and finish time. So 1, 0. Now we see that 4 different activities have slack time and other activities on the critical path have 0 slack because late start and early start is 0. Difference between late start and early start is 0. So these are the slack numbers, slack times. C, 6 minus 1, D, 2 minus 1, and F, H, 9 minus 8. So we can delay activity C by 5 days without affecting entire project time duration. We can delay 1 day for all these 3 activities without affecting the time duration of the project. Okay, now we consider what would happen if activity F was revised to 4 days, take 4 days instead of 2 days. So now some happened to activity F, so we have to change the duration of the activity F. This was our critical path, original critical path, B, A, B, E, G, I, which is 22 days. But what if activity F was revised to 4 days instead of 2 days. Then activity path 1 and path 4 does not change because there is no activity F. But we have to consider path 2 and path 3 because activity F is involved here. So activity A has no change of the critical path 22 days, but the path 2 A, C, F, G, I, the F is changed into 4 instead of 7 and 2. So 17 increased to 19 days. Understand here, right? And same as, similarly, path 3 changed into 23 days instead of 21 days. You see that, and then path 4 remain as the same 21 days. You see that your critical path become changed because path 3 become the new critical path, which is the longest instead of path 1. So if we change the activity F from 2 to 4 days, then we can have a new critical path. That's the issue of this problem. Okay, thank you.